How's it going, everyone? Today we are going to be playing Cleveland. It's been a little while since we've gone up against these guys, so hopefully we can keep our winning streak going here. This is the 45th game of the season. We are 34-8-2. Cleveland's got a winning record for now, at least. Alright, let's get into the face-off here. Won the face-off. That is always a good way to start the game. We'll feed it in. Gonna cycle the puck here a little bit. Is there a one-timer? Oh, hit someone in front of us. We got another one-timer right over here. Wide open. Oh, how'd he save that? Steal here. Where do we want to go with this? That ended up getting stolen. Got the steal pretty handily right there. Move it up. Oh my gosh. Wagner just got destroyed. Should get the steal right here. Alright, well that didn't amount to anything. A little bit of a breakaway right there. Alright, won the face-off. Don't have any room to work with here. With the puck inside the defensive zone. Cleveland's crossed the line and on the attack. Oh no. Puck picked up by Malatesta. Oh, it stayed out. What a save! All right, well, I think we caught that with a glove. I think that was their first shot on goal too. Yeah, it was. Right, won the face-off again. We've been doing well with that so far this game. Oh, got the steal. Get this out of here. Alright, let's move this up. There's a shot. Oh man, that was a good chance. Getting blocked by one of their guys in front of us. Chicago's got the puck. Beautiful feed up ahead from the right wing side. Quick feed down low. Why didn't my guy right there just go up and get that? Why did he just start backing off? Makes no sense. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Well, that's not good. Should have got the steal right there too. Yeah, our guy should have just grabbed it right there, but didn't, and they ended up getting a goal as a result. No idea what happened there. Not an ideal way to start this game. On the face-off, we're going to get a power play. Must have been an interference penalty. Their shot, and it goes in. There we go. We responded right away. Yeah, just the one-timer right in the center of the ice. Perfect. Well, we responded quickly, so that's good. Nearing the midway mark of the period. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Alright, they won the face-off here. Get the steal, though. Oh, this isn't good.
Pass from off the right side. Stopped with ease.
Well, good saves from our goalie.
Made that save, James. That was all but in the net, and complete desperation and compete level to make that one.
Chicago's got the puck in their
Oh,
own end.
crap. Okay, we'll play this.
The puck in his own end. Chicago's in transition.
Is there a shot? And it goes in! We took the lead.
Well, it's very timely, isn't it, James? To give them the lead and also the confidence.
Well, that's solid. Pretty good response.
Opportunity. The goaltender, he's going to want this one back, James. I thought that he was set.
Yeah, nothing special about this, just a wrist shot.
The shot, it hit him. He got a good chunk of it, but it went in. You can see the frustration in the body language.
We might have a high-scoring game here.
The Wolves have put
All right.
themselves in the enviable position
2-1.
with the lead, Cheryl.
You always rather be ahead, wouldn't you? It's the best place to be, but you want to extend that lead. You want to have a
Won the
ability to
face-off
play
once
very well.
again.
Well, James, you got to stay aggressive. You got to manage the puck, and you got to look to attack the net.
All right, where do we want to go with this?
And he'll take
Oh,
it.
crap.
Cleveland's got the puck along the wall.
We prevent them from getting the breakaway.
Here he is, shot right in front. And a great save.
Got to get us out of here.
Shooters in a coveted spot on the ice, right in the middle of it with a good
Steal.
look, and he makes an incredible
It up.
save by getting square to the puck and turning it aside.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Here's a chance.
Oh, had a point-blank shot right there we could have taken. There's our one-timer. Oh, no, they got the steal.
Along the boards. Oh, and some smooth skating to lose the defender there. And he comes up big with the stick save, getting all of it with the
Get this out of here. They are all over us.
Well, that puck came hard, and it came fast, and it came multiple times, but he was right on.
Oh, crap. You've got to be kidding me.
Now we are, James. and
Our
you
goalie did like the lay-down glitch, which
and they get rewarded
the developers of this game admitted this was a glitch
getting to position.
and that they fixed it this year. But look at that. Our goalie just lays down and then gets stuck. That's frustrating. I mean, don't get me wrong, we were playing like garbage, so probably deserved to be score on right there, but still, that
You can feel the energy.
I'd rather not be scored on by a glitch like that.
Puck is dropped and we are back underway. The Wolves look to start the transition game. Moves the puck to the attacking area.
Beat it in here.
The
Their
Wolves
shot.
lead along the boards. And that goes off a body. Scooped up along the wall by Sweeney. Getting a little physical out there, but still holds on to the puck.
Spozo's not going to be able to get away from the booze and the chance every time he touches the puck.
All right, where do we want to take this right there? Oh my gosh, we broke our stick.
The Monsters move the
That was a
puck into the
great
next
chance
zone.
too.
And he sidesteps the check there.
Missed the hit by a mile.
Puts it on net. Glove save and the play continues. Here he is with the
Oh.
backhander.
What is going on?
Gone in front.
Well, I really like their game tonight. I mean, you always have to manage the ebbs and flows, but when you grind away and you continue to trust the process, you get opportunity, and they converted on it.
I don't even know what happened there. It's just a backhand shot. I feel like it should have been a pretty easy save by our goalie. Well, they took the lead again.
Cleveland's gone in front by a goal here in the first.
Well, I really like the way they've competed here.
A really high-scoring period, 5
Find a way
goals.
to continue to attack. You got to play with killer instincts, especially when there's so much time left.
At one point, we had the lead. But one more chance here. Oh, that was a backhand shot. That was a good one, too.
With this point streak, playing so confident, he knows where he is on the ice, and it just seems that every time it makes its way towards the net, the puck's going in.
Face off win, take the shot. Oh, we almost got that one in.
Time winding down. And with that, the first period is
Redirected the
both
backhand.
teams with a chance at a refresh. We'll get a clean sheet of ice and
All
come
right.
back.
Well, we've got a close game.
Two more periods to go, and we're about to play the second frame here. Second period's underway.
Won the face off.
All right, Pounder, how would you assess
And we'll have to
this
feed
game
this
through the first
in.
20 minutes played?
Cleveland's playing a strong game here in terms
Oh,
of
we knocked the
possession
net
and trying
off.
to get pucks to the net. They're really attacking and finding those lanes, and that's exactly what they need to do if they want to go up by more than one.
The Monsters have looked good offensively tonight, generating all sorts of opportunities. Gambrell's won the draw deep in the defensive
That was
zone.
not ideal to lose the face off, but
Quick pass to Bauer.
still okay, I
And a quick
think.
pass to Grimaldi. There's a shot. Oh, what a glove
Play this
save
on the
there.
right side.
Perfectly.
Undefended.
Textbook hit there.
Well, now we'll move it up the left.
Chicago's moving it along the wing. Shakes off the
There's our
defender.
shot.
Nifty move.
Oh, how'd he save that?
Blocked in traffic. Solid hit on the play, and that knocks the
Come
puck
on.
off his stick. Smith's got the puck, and he's walking the blue line. Oh, and he gets in front of that to make a great save. And now he moves it to fix Wolanski. Oh, what a move. Oh, score.
What is up with this guy?
The opponent has no answer for
Anytime he gets the puck, it seems like he scores.
Garnered some momentum after multiple
It's just a wrist shot. Second goal
They don't
tonight.
leave any breathing room and let their opponent get some life back. He's in a high position.
Dang,
Get a bit
we're
of
down
time.
2
He knows
goals.
that coverage comes to him right away, so a quick snapshot and he buries it.
Alright, we still got time.
Two here in the second.
And I think they need to continue to play desperate. Don't sit back. There's a lot of runway left. Continue to take control of the game.
And with the centers tied up, he swoops in to take possession. Picked up along the wall by Balatesta. Can't hang on after that.
Come on, there we go.
By Lemieux. Pokes it away in his own end.
Not a good area to let it get stolen. Trying for the wrist shot right in front of the goal there. Oh, I totally missed that.
By Balatesta.
It's out.
The Wolves have it now.
Now they're pressing us.
Oh, look at this. Here's a chance to make something happen inside the
Didn't have any
neutral
help
zone.
there. I couldn't pass it away.
The Wolves will play the puck from behind the net. Oh, absolutely rocked him in the corner. Gains the zone along
All
the
right.
right wall.
Try this again.
Here's a chance. And that carries
Went
off
wide.
the stick. Battling for it along the boards.
Is there one timer?
Come up with possession off that back.
Oh, it was off balance.
Save, but barely with that one.
Sachenko's been off his game tonight, really shaky in the crease, and his team has really bailed him out. They found a way to generate offense. Sometimes that's the way it goes, but he's got to settle in and make those saves.
I hope there's a one timer. Oh, got redirected. I had my one timer right in the middle, right in front of the net.
Across the line from center. And he dodges the poke check there. And he slides it quickly to Bowie. Scores!
Are they just scoring every time they shoot now?
The coaches will be preaching, listen, have no mercy, continue the pounding.
Okay, what happens here? Alright, so we defended. Guy right in front of him.
Always talks about the stick
Deer in headlights.
timing to get
Goes
to the
right
slot
in.
area as well, and the ability to just tap it down and redirect it.
Alright, well, we are in a major hole right now. Oh, I guess one of their sticks got on it and knocked it down.
Cleveland's been on a roll all night long, and
Our crowd is booing us, although we have
down here in period
a
number
major winning season and we
Here, James, they've been pushing and
are
pressing
first
all
in the
along
league.
scoreboard.
We are being booed off the ice.
Here's a short pass to Smith.
Right.
Big time stop. Scrum ensues along the boards.
Chicago's had a tough time finding any momentum in
Oh,
this
bad-
game. They're beaten in
bad
all
pass.
areas of the ice, and you certainly don't want to look at the analytics in this one. The only good part, they have some time left to claw their way back in.
The Wolves will play it in their own
Alright.
end. Moves the puck along the half wall.
Where should we go? Right there.
Moves it to Morrow. Redirected off one of his own line mates there. Slides it over with pace to Cambrell.
Okay, I was going for a hit. Playing a little frustrated now. Although that is a bad pass. Passing interceptions right now like crazy. Can't be having that.
Chicago's got the puck against the boards. Takes that pass back at the point. Takes a hit.
Oh no.
Still hangs on to the puck. Quick feed to Gaudette. Shot attempt complete.
Okay, you got in front of that one.
Taken along the wall by Ryan.
Oh no. What kind of pass was that? We're just playing bad on all aspects here. But there. Finally, we had a decent shot after it seemed like an eternity.
Slavin's the leader of this team, James. He knows exactly what to do. He has been in these situations before. He's got to put this team on his back with this offensive zone face-off and lead the charge.
Okay, won the face-off. Pass it down, pass it over. Get someone in front.
Here they come through center and into the offensive end. Makes it look easy with a pad. The Wolves are in transition. Here they are on the attack. And that's broken up.
Beat it in.
Lets it fly. And he gets
Just kind of throw it at the goal, see if someone goes in. Oh, how did he save that? Such a good shot. Now we're wide. We got our one-timers. Oh, they stole it. Dang, we were really putting up some pressure there, too.
good heads-up defensive play as he extends the stick. With possession along the wall. Fires it on net.
Oh, it hit the post. Come on. Give me a break.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, Cleveland's got a 5-2 lead. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. A chance of the one-timer. And now it's grabbed by
All right, we were wide on that one.
Sends it quickly to the bait. And now he moves it quickly to
There's a few seconds left in the period.
quickly to Butler.
Can't let them shoot. Seems like they're on fire right now with goals. Plus our goalie's just playing like garbage.
And that brings the period to
All right, well,
period just around the corner.
I'm not saying it can't happen, but
Popcorn.
a 3-goal deficit is going to be very difficult to overcome with how this game's going.
Time to drop the puck here in period number 3.
Oh, I messed up the timing. They're going to win this face-off.
Let's see if they can try to rally back here in the third, but they've got a long way to go. 2/3 of the way to the finish line. And
Yeah, the
this
steal,
one for
this isn't good.
time, Cheryl, how do you view it?
Cleveland's been consistent through.
What on earth? It was stopped. Just a simple one-timer because they had nothing else.
James, it's almost like a fielder in baseball. If you touch it, you should be able to stop it, and he gets a big chunk of that one. Unfortunately, it goes in the netting.
Their goalie got on top of it. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, now I think this game's all but put away.
The Monsters continue to attack the net here in period number 3, adding yet another
Just
goal
getting
to
totally blown out now.
Areas of the game that have really been terrific tonight,
All right,
James.
let's try and
I've
at
enjoyed the
least get a
communication
goal
of the
to
team on the ice, not just
make the
the
score
love
look
language,
not
but
as
also
bad.
the vocalness. I mean, they're creating all over the ice, and it's been real
There's
fun
a
to watch.
one-timer.
And that caroms off a body
Hit someone.
in traffic. Takes the knock, but he's still got the puck. Slides the pass over to Grimaldi.
Oh, no.
My! Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one.
Oh, how we've been playing, we're lucky that one didn't go in.
Look out, here they come on the attack.
Just feed it in. There's our one-timer.
Piece of that one. And that shot gets blocked by one of his own teammates. Handles the puck. Now a quick pass to Cambrell. Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Just a little get too much contact.
Okay, come on, get a shot off.
And that caroms off a body in the lane.
What's crazy is we're pretty dead even on shots on goal.
Zone by Lemieux.
They have a few more than us,
Off the
but
line and into the offensive end. Receives the puck in the corner. And he takes the feed.
just can't believe we have such a bad conversion rate.
And that goes wide of everything.
Oh, they stole
The
it.
Monsters gain possession along the wall.
Playing a lot more aggressively than what I'm used to.
Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Okay, we're gonna kill it.
Goaltender covers up and we'll get a face-off.
Kind of have to at this point.
The Monsters are in the home stretch of this one here in the third period and lead by a wide margin. And off the draw, they win possession. And a stick break setup. Passes over to Slater.
Okay.
Some
Oh,
solid
come
defensive
on.
work in their own end with
Oh,
the
wow. Insult to injury at that point.
defensive zone.
Totally got laid out.
Looking against the half wall. Makes the save. The pylon continues, Cheryl.
It is ugly, and there's nothing
I
more than
don't even know what to say, or don't even think I should say anything.
near the brewing tonight in this building.
7-2. This has to be probably the worst blowout we've had this season. Just getting absolutely wrecked right now. I mean, it goes back to what I said. You can't win them all, but this is just embarrassing. I'm losing 7-2 to the AI in this game. And listen, again, as I said, we've been having such a good season, and they're just booing us off the ice.
And they'll get a breather as the goaltender covers it up. Cleveland's played one of their best games this season. They continue to dominate in the shot department and lead it here in the third. And as the puck is dropped, they win the
Right.
draw here inside the defensive zone. They've got some momentum here.
In here,
Takes the pass in the corner. He got all of that hit. Seeley's got
defending us pretty well. We got to feed it back over. Oh man.
looking to break out of their own end. Shakes off the coverage. No room for that one to get through. Picked up along the boards by Brindamore.
Just desperate for another goal at this point.
Own zone.
Don't care that this game is pretty much lost, but come on, give us a goal. Oh, that was our chance.
Play.
To knock that rebound in.
Cleveland's in on the offensive attack now. From point blank. Spectacular stop.
I shouldn't have played that.
Hang on to that. Denies him again.
I'm not sure if anyone's helping him out there, but he's dialed in and doing it all himself, making consecutive saves.
Cleveland's got the puck. Bowie's got the puck. Dishes it off.
Get this out.
The poke check.
There we go.
Chicago's got it in their own zone. Slides the puck down low.
Feed it
They'll
in.
battle for that loose
Over.
puck along the boards.
Just gotta shoot something now.
To the back end. And it's a quick pass to
It was
Brindamore.
almost a steal.
Get it to go.
Right there.
Plays it out from the corner.
Oh, my guy just got right in the way.
There really looks shaken up.
Trying to engage a little physicality here. Shot! And an easy glove save on the play.
Played. At this point, I just want to get this game over with. Oh man, this is just horrible.
Quick feed to McCown.
Guys are just getting beat up there. Sticks are getting knocked out of their hand.
Grabs it in his own end. Wrist one in front. And they'll
Okay,
cover it up,
well,
forcing a stoppage in
Gonna
play.
have a chance to play it, so we'll just kill it.
Godet's in a lot of pain here, James. You can see it in his face as he's hobbling and laboring, trying to get back to the bench. Anytime you're injured, you want to know exactly where the play is. You don't want to put your team in a vulnerable spot, but you got to get off.
Lemieux's got it along the boards. Oh, smart heads up play to poke that one away.
Okay, there's a one-timer.
Unloads a shot.
Just hit the guys in front of us.
Is that threat? Scooped up along the wall by Malatesta. The Monsters have it now. Puck sent in, and that will allow for a fresh group of forwards to get out on the ice. Slides it quickly.
Okay, we'll
to
move
the
this
goal.
up.
Quick shot. Oh, he stops him with the glove. Great reflexes there. Keeps control.
Got the steal.
Taking a
There we go.
Wide of the net.
Oh, I just did a one-timer to try and make something happen. So we got to beat him to the puck. We can't let him have a shot like that.
Doesn't miss by much, but it's a miss all the same.
Looks to make a play over to Jost. Fires it. Oh, and he somehow got a
Alright, they'll kill it. We're in the last minute.
stays out of the net.
I'm not liking our chances of getting another goal.
The Monsters have traded tonight like a shooting
This has just been a totally one-sided game.
in the third. Jost's won the draw and they're on the attack. Tremendous read and even greater sacrifice on the block. Plays the body into that play. Pinned up along the boards. Chicago's got a hold of the puck now. Through center.
Here's a shot. Oh, no. I was too far away, I think.
To keep it out. And just a good old-fashioned solid body check on the play. Loses the coverage there.
Last little bit of the game here.
The puck against the
Get it in. Any shot right here, maybe? Nope. Wide.
Talk about a hostile environment as the final seconds tick away.
Okay, well, the crowd can stop booing me.
What they've seen tonight. Came up
What matters most is we tried our hardest and had fun. But,
sounds bringing this
no, seriously, you can't win them all. This one was a really bad loss. But hey, we have a doubleheader against these guys, and you better believe in this next game I'm going back for vengeance, because whether it's AI or someone in real life, I do not like to lose this bad. So, yeah, I'll regroup a little bit. This is kind of my kick into gear. We've been struggling a little bit on some of the aspects of the game lately, so we'll regroup and play them again next. I'll see you then.